So now we have types of complex mapping. So first we have z equal to z plus b. So this is called translation mapping. And if you write here u plus iv equal to z equal to x plus iy, and b is the complex constant, so let us have b1 plus ib2. So here u plus iv equal to x plus b1 plus I y plus b2. So if you see the image, so u will be x plus b1 and v will be y plus b2. So the image of xy will be x plus b1 y plus b2. So the points xy is translating by scale b1 and b2. So this is called the translation mapping. And if b is real constant, in that case the y will be same, will have translation only in the x variable. So let us see few example of translation mapping. So in this mapping, the z point x comma y is translated in w point x plus b1 y plus b2 with constant b1 and b2 under this mapping. So this mapping is called translation mapping. The first example of translation mapping, let R be the rectangular region in the z plane bounded by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So this is the given region in z plane. This is the rectangle actually. So find the image of this region R under the transformation w equal to z plus 1 minus 2y. So this is the z plus b form, where b is the complex constant. So this is the translation mapping. So let us see what is the image of this rectangle in the w plane. So first what we do, we try to establish the relation between uv and xy variable. So w equal to u plus iv equal to z equal to x plus iy and 1 minus 2i. So this will be x plus 1 plus I y minus 2. So now if you equate real and imaginary part, so u will be x plus 1 and v will be y minus 2. So your x will be u minus 1 and y will be v plus 2. So by this relation we'll see the transformation of that rectangle in w plane. Now let us see image of x equal to 0. One by one curve we'll see. So first we'll see the image of x equal to 0 in uv plane. So that will be x equal to 0 means u minus 1 equal to 0, which imply u equal to 1. Okay, so this is the u equal to 1 curve which image of x equal to 0. So here we have 4 lines. So let us check one by one. Now image of y equal to 0. So that will be the v plus 2 equal to 0. So which imply v equal to minus 2. So v equal to minus 2 is the image of y equal to 0. And third one, we have x equal to 2. So image of x equal to 2. So that will be u minus 1 equal to 2. So which imply u equal to 3. And the fourth one, image of y equal to 1. So which imply v plus 2 equal to 1. So which means v equal to minus 1. So image of this rectangle will be, now this rectangle in the w plane. So let us try to draw this rectangle and try to understand so how this translation mapping work. So this is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So this is the x, y and z plane. So this is the rectangle. Here x equal to 2, here y equal to 1. So this is the rectangle in z plane. Let us see the image of this rectangle in the w plane. So here we have the w plane, which is formed by u axis and v axis. So first u equal to 1. So we can have u equal to 1 here, and we can have u equal to 3 and v equal to minus 1 and v equal to minus 2. So this is your image of, this is the u axis, this is the v axis, and this is the image of this. We can see here, this is the u equal to 1, u equal to 3 and v equal to minus 1, v equal to minus 2. So the image of rectangle in the first quadrant is shifted in the fourth quadrant, and yeah, so this is your image curve, this is your domain curve. So this was one example of translation mapping. The next mapping we have rotation and magnification. Okay, so after seeing the translation mapping, now we moved on rotation and magnification and mapping. So w equal to az. So this is the mapping. So here we have two cases based on this constant. If a is the complex constant, so this map will represent the rotation and magnification. Rotation and magnification if a is the complex constant. And if a is real constant, so it will give only magnification, when a is the real constant. Fine. So let us see what is this with example what is this rotation and magnification. So W equal to AZ. So I have told A is the if complex constant, so let us have R e power I phi and Z equal to R e power I theta. So this will be R into R and e power I theta plus 5. Now the initial point was the Z point, so R is magnified by RR and theta is theta rotated, the theta angle is modified by theta plus 5. So here we have two parameter, one is the magnification parameter and here we have the rotation parameter. Now we have one property here, if mod of R greater than 1, so we say expansion and if mod of R less than 1, so we say contraction. R is nothing but modulus of the A, and if A is the real constant, so we don't have this factor, we'll have only this factor, so that is called the only magnification. Now if you take this one, W equal to AZ plus B, where B is the A and B are the complex constant, so this mapping will give translation, rotation, magnification, translation, rotation, magnification, all three. W equal to AZ plus B. Let us see one example of rotation and magnification. So find the image of the region y greater than 1 under the map W equal to 1 minus IZ. So this is the AZ form where A is the complex constant. So let us try to establish the relation between we need to x in term of u v y f of u comma v. We need to establish this relation for getting the mapping. So here we can get u plus iv equal to 1 minus y x plus iy. So if you simplify, so we get x plus y and plus I y minus x. Let us compare the real and imaginary part. So we have u equal to x plus y and v equal to y minus x. And if you solve these two equations, so we get x equal to u minus v by 2 and y equal to u plus v by 2. So with the help of this one, we'll try to get the image of y greater than 1. So first one, if y greater than 1 means, so we get u plus v by 2 greater than 1. So which imply u plus v greater than 2. So u plus v greater than 2. So let us try to draw the line u plus v equal to 2, and that upper region will take the image. So now let me draw both the region in the z plane and w plane. So z plane is very straightforward, y greater than 1. So this is your y. So this is the region. And here in this UV plane, so this is the line u plus v. So this is the u, this is the v. So this is the line u plus v equal to 2. So u plus v greater than 2. So this region is the. So now we can see this region, map of this region will be this region, u plus v greater than 2. So this was the example of rotation and magnification. Now in the next video we'll see few more example of elementary complex mapping. Thank you.